All right, and now we're going to talk about events of the American Revolution, events and battles. This is Unit 2, Lesson 2, 8th grade social studies. So propaganda is writing that's used to promote any idea, but in this case, it's the idea of the American Revolution. It's the idea that we need to separate from Great Britain. It's no longer just a want, it's an absolutely necessary 100% need. So Mary Otis Warren was a female author responsible for writing negative plays about the British, and Common Sense was a pamphlet written by Thomas Paine to get more colonists to join the revolution. So some more people of the revolution. Benedict Arnold was an American officer that reported to the British as a spy. Actually, fun fact, his wife was actually in love with this British officer, and he gave her information so that way she could have an excuse to talk to this man. James Armistead, in your notes, it's Arnold. Please scratch that out. It's supposed to be James Armistead. He was an African American that spied on the British. Wentworth Cheswell was the first African American to serve in office. He served as a messenger during the Revolution. Bernardo de Galvez was a Spanish governor of Florida. He helped out the Americans during the Revolution. And Marquis de Lafayette was a French officer that helped the Americans during the Revolution. The Southern colonies. The Southern colonies used a hit-and-run tactic against the British. Remember, these Americans are going to use their advantage, which is geography. During the time, this was like very brutal style fighting, and they were looked down upon for this because it was not the manly way to go to war. The manly way, the right way to go to war, was you all stand in a line and you all shoot at each other. That's kind of stupid, first off, because it's an easy target. Second, the Southern colonies saw this and were like, I could just duck in and out of trees and shoot the people that are already in a line, and I could take off. And that's what they did. And remember, Lexington and Concord, they did this as well. Of course, they were militiamen and not the actual military. This is the army at this point. This is the Continental Army that is using these Southern hit-and-run tactics. The Battle of Saratoga. This is going to be a turning point, which is why you see a big car going the other way. This is known as the turning point of the war. France and Spain decided to come to the colonists' aid because of this battle, because the colonists finally won. All the other battles before this, pretty much official battles, pretty much ended in American defeat. But this one was a turning point. It's when they started winning. Valley Forge was a training site for the American Army, the Continental Army. This was led by General Washington. Most of these soldiers didn't have food or clothing or other supplies like adequate food, and many died. It was extremely cold at this place. Battle of Yorktown. This is going to be the last battle. The British commander Cornwallis moved his troop to Yorktown, Virginia. He was surrounded by the Continental Army. The French Navy was led by Marquis de Lafayette. They blocked the Atlantic Ocean, so that way the British could not surrender and just go somewhere else. They blocked the Atlantic Ocean. And the British finally had to surrender in 1781 as the song Yankee Doodle played. It was a way to make fun of the Americans. Yankee Doodle Dandy. This is the last battle of the Revolutionary War. The Treaty of Paris. After every war, there's a treaty. So the Treaty of Paris of 1783 was what gave us our independence. It established three things. It gave independence to the colonies. It made the United States. It granted fishing rights in the Atlantic Ocean, and it gave land all the way to the Mississippi River. So that's past the proclamation line that we talked about earlier. It's several hundred miles past that line that they gained in land. This might become a problem later on when the French are still thinking that the proclamation line is in fact still there, but it's not. And that's it. Thanks for watching.